Better to light a candle than curse the dark. Hey there, how you guys doing today? Thanks for joining me for another episode of Bitcoin and Coffee. I'll be your host, Eugene Forrest. So, what are we looking at today with these crazy cryptocurrency markets? Well, shucks, wouldn't you know it? We held on to some green. That's nice, right? I mean, it's been the other way for such a while now that a lot of people were getting real down on cryptocurrency. Yes, there's speculation that this is just some sort of bear trap or whatever, and the price is going to drop back down. But hey, today it's green, so let's take the good when we can get it, right? So let me see, what are we looking at? Well, we got a market cap that picked up about $25 billion. Boom, big plus right there. $325 billion for a market cap. We got about 23.7 billion traded in the last 24 hours. That's even a slight gain on yesterday. That's awesome. We got the BTC dominance slipping a tiny bit, but I'm not really all that concerned. We're shooting up so fast right now that it's going to probably take a little bit for it to level out as we continue to maintain these numbers. So let me see. We got 42.2% for a BTC dominance. So I remember yesterday, right, Bitcoin was 7.7, shot up as soon as I kind of, started looking at some news and all of that, waking up in the morning. So we got $8,000 this morning. Held it for 24 hours. We're up about 7% right now. That is nice. We got a couple different speculations on why that is, but we'll get to that when we do the news. Let me see. We got Ethereum coming in at $515. So that's on the other side of 500. That's up 13%. Big plus right there. That's making a lot of smiles this morning, I'm sure. We got Ripple coming in at 64 cents. That's up 17%. We got some news on that coming up too. We got Bitcoin Cash coming in at $774. That's a 10% gain, so that's really nice there. And we got Litecoin coming in at $131. That's up 8%. Wow, right? Green across the whole board, pretty much. It's hard to find a cryptocurrency that didn't make some nice gains yesterday. Of course, high tide rises all ships. And we got Steam and Steam back dollar. They are making some awesome gains, coming in at $2.88. That's up 20% right now. And we got the Steam back dollar coming in at $2.51. That's up 11% right now. Seen it over $3.10, $3.12 last night. It's come back down. So I mean, as always, Steam is definitely something nice to get going on. It's a great way to earn some free cryptocurrency, and I always recommend to come over and upvote my post and comment below, and I'll upvote you. That's how we work it, right? All right. So let me see, what do we got going on here for news on Bitcoin and coffee? They put the cream and the sugar in the coffee today. Well, let me see. Here, more locally in the United States, we're looking at out of Mason County in Washington. We're looking that they're going to be passing some ordinance there that's going to stop people from opening up cryptocurrency mining companies. They're saying they want to slow it down a bit. They want to take a moment. They want to do some investigating on the power structure and whether or not it can actually, hold the load that's going to be put on it, because it does take a lot of power in order to run these miners, especially when you get a big facility full of them, with hundreds of these things running. So the local study and how it's going to impact them. I can understand the need to want to slow it down in a smaller community such as this is. Cryptocurrency is big and it's exploding everywhere. So anywhere you can find cheap electricity and cheap land and cheap warehouses, big investors are popping up everywhere. All right, so let me see. Everyone wants to know what's going on. Why is the price of cryptocurrency up? Why is Bitcoin up? Whether or not it's going to hold. As I went looking this morning, I kind of found two different divisions on what the thinking is on what this could be. According to CNBC, we're seeing that they're saying taxes. They're saying, all right, well, when I read through it, it seemed like it was writing and talking in circles. Definitely had a little trouble understanding the exact reason behind it, but they're saying due to the low taxes and the refund and the price being down low, that people are buying cryptocurrency right now with their tax refunds. The other one is religion. According to the Islamic religion, I'm not a religious expert, but according to their religion, they were not allowed to participate in, high-risk stuff. Pretty much that would be considered scammy, probably due to moral values. And I guess yesterday they came out, a member of the high up in their authority came up and said that Bitcoin is all right with them and all right with their religion. So with them being about, I guess, 28% of the religion of the world, I guess it opened up cryptocurrency to, people that are more religious and reserved to be able to go out and purchase cryptocurrency. So whether or not that actually made the push, whether or not either one of these made the push, it's always hard to tell. I mean, To me, cryptocurrency is always undervalued. And when I say cryptocurrency, mostly I mean Bitcoin. I mean, it's been 9 years. It's been an amazing ride so far. I know I've only been in it for the last 2. It definitely gives you a completely different perspective on time. But I'm not going anywhere, and I'm sure cryptocurrency isn't going anywhere. All right, so let me see. What else we got going on for news? Well, part of the surge in Ripple could be due to the fact that Ripple themselves is coming out and saying that they're not a security, due to the fact that there were some rumors that they were not being added to Coinbase and were not added to Coinbase in sight of their bribes, pretty much. Because they were security. So, I mean, whether or not they are a security or not, I don't know. You know, that's not what I'm here for to say. I'm just letting you guys know that they came out and said that they're not a security. We're also looking at BTC Private making some real big gains right there. So everybody who's collected that, I don't know if this is a good time to dump it or not, or whether or not you want to keep holding on because, hey, there's always tomorrow, right? And the price can always move upwards. We got BTC making a 92% gain right now, coming in at $31.37. They made it to the 31st ranking of a coin, and they got $640 million for a market cap already. Just kind of going to show everyone why forking off a Bitcoin is a good way to get your own cryptocurrency a nice start in the market. All right, so the last little bit of news I got going on for you guys today is out of you know, the OKEX exchange out of Hong Kong. They've been having a little bit of trouble, so they're going to jump ship out of Hong Kong, move over to Malta, which is being super crypto-friendly lately. So, hey, that's all the better. These little countries that we can find that are going to be super crypto-friendly and be able to allow these exchanges to open up and spread across Europe and the rest of the world to get everybody to be able to dump that garbage fiat cash into these cryptocurrencies and exchange and make a little money on the side. Always a big plus in my book. So today's a bright day in cryptocurrency. Go forth with a smile and be happy about it. As always, I got all sorts of links, tools. Comment below. Let me know what's going on. Thanks for joining me for a cup of coffee. Remember to use my help desk service. It's at eugeneforrest20@gmail.com. It's one of the best things I can do for you guys. As always, Steam, come on. Minds is going great. Come on over there. Sign up. You know, I love anything that helps promote my community that I got going on here on Bitcoin and Coffee. I love hearing from you guys. Donational addresses, as always. But you know what's most important is that you guys keep your cryptocurrency safe.